So they've made a lot of progress. I need to start cleaning up my stuff and take boxes and stuff like that away. But what we're gonna do is I need to drill a hole. Actually, I'm gonna do it closer to this side. Now I think about it. Punch a hole so my cables go through, the SDI cable and the fiber optic cable. That should be the outside wall. It is. So we're gonna punch through there. These outlets, the fact that that's still hot is, wow, okay. But anyway, these outlets are gonna be replaced, at least one of them, two of them are gonna be replaced with smart outlets that can be turned on and off with a switch. I'm gonna put a switch up there to do that. I don't know where they have that light switch right there. They need to get rid of those lights, put some LEDs in here, but main thing, clean all this stuff up and put the other speaker. I have some conduit that I'm going to run the XLR cables to the speakers, or at least include the power and the XLR cable inside the conduit right there, or put a separate one. I don't know. But anyway, that's what I have to do, and maybe I could do that right now, and somebody else is here. But let me go up here, knock this out, and let's work on the TVs. All right, my plan temporarily failed with the pass-through. I mean, not that it failed. I got the cable ran through, but the brushes are not wide enough for the end of the plug that goes into an outlet. So I'm gonna probably need to go to Home Depot because I can't find these at Lowe's, but it's just like a pass-through, like kind of like a, just an open hole that you can drop everything through. So I'm gonna need to get that. I am going to work on the same thing here, and probably just put this power cable right behind here, pass through, drop it down. Yeah, there was another plug I saw that was like $60 some to where it made an outlet here and then the other stuff. But again, I don't want to touch any electrical. But it's going to be, I'll probably see if I can, the cable, the electrical line is probably running right on top of this. So I might want to put it beside this, but that's what we're going to do. But right now, I've donned my light, and what I think I'm gonna do is try and find where I can make the hole for the other cable that's going to the front TV. Let's take over here. Now the idea is to find out where this is and maybe come right there, because it's so close here, no one's gonna be looking at this. And then I can just run this here, come down, up, boom, and then be right there. So I think what I'm gonna do is get a ladder, drill a hole right here, right now, just to see where I'm at and see if I can find it upstairs, and then we're good to go. In worst case scenario, we'll patch up that hole if it's not where it needs to be. Alrighty, my shadow is blocking it, but there's the hole right there. Man, just missed this board, so I can slide over just a little bit, and then I can punch the cable through, and I got a straight shot to where I need to go. And let me make sure I don't step through the ceiling as I come back down here. But that's good. I guess I could have came through right here, but hey, we're right there at the edge, so that is good. Alrighty, all done. I got a piece I need to get for that corner and that corner right there, but that's mainly about it. Oh, and that corner right there. Just need some 90 degrees to cover those up, and then I think I got another piece that will cover that little small piece right there. But we got more than enough cable up there. I'm probably gonna put some caulk in there or something like that to seal up that hole so that doesn't go anywhere, but that should be good. And then now we gotta make a trip back over to, or make a trip to Home Depot to see if I can get these pass-through grommets to go right here so that that will come straight out and go right into there. For that one, and I have some quarter cable. I think I need to do the same thing over here. Now there's a hole already here. I just need to make another hole of where the cable goes, because that's where the telephone line was that I couldn't get. I think there's a box behind that, but oh well, we'll figure that out. All right, we got the other one here. I just need to get, the brush will go on this one, but I need to get another adapter for here. And then we still got the other one that's on the other side of that wall to do. And then all of these are done. I'm really trying to stall until I get a message from Guitar Center, because there is a Home Depot over there. So I wanted to just kill two birds with one stone, but we'll see. I think they're painting, so I kind of don't want to get over there right now. I want to run the XLR cables to the speakers, as well as push the power cable through running of a conduit for that goes to each one of these speakers since they're powered. But I don't want to get in their way because they're over there right now. So, outside of what I got, there's really nothing else I can do until I get over here and get these pass-through plates. And I got the other TV hung back on the other side, so I think we're good there. And like I said, I gotta do this side. I guess I could run that now, so that way I don't have nothing else to do except for just put the plate on and I'm done. Yeah, let's do that. All right. So I was trying to pull this loose, and then the pull string, the latch came loose because the screw on this side to level it is too tight. So when I tried to pull it, I was thinking it was caught. I pulled it and the thing broke loose. Now I can still get up under here and pull that piece to get it loose, but I gotta loosen up the screw on this side so it gives me more room. It's too tight, so there's no space. But looks like I will be leaving to go get this stuff done instead. Man. Anyway, let's head to the store. All right, folks, all the TVs have been done, and we got power. And while I was out picking up the pieces for this, the speaker was delivered. So that's actually in the back seat in my trunk. I've already, now that the TVs are done, I'm going to get that out of the truck and then go to mount that speaker. And my coat fell. No. Oh. Anyway, we got this one here, as you can see. And let's get the last one. Well, show you the last one. Boom. There you go. And there's plenty of slack in there if that's not liked, but we're good to go. Like I said, now I just got to get the speaker and work on that one. Oh, that was an extra plate. I thought I didn't have any more of these, but I had one left. Oh well. Let's put this over here, and let's get sound on left and right, stereo sound. So while I was outside, some furniture was delivered, so I just finished moving it here. So yay. But we got the other speaker mounted. I cleaned up a good portion of my mess up here. And like that, all the rest of it's gone. But we got the other one mounted. I need to take the sticker off of that one. So we're gonna try and plug it up here for a second just to see what type of sound we get. Got more than enough cable. Once everything is done, I have a conduit that's gonna run around and then over, and then the power is gonna be plugged into that up there, which reminds me, I guess I should get another one to go up there, but that's what we got going on. Alrighty, folks, guess what? The sound system is on. Yay! Both of those are right there. So, got a little tweaking to do with this, but hey, we got sound. Both speakers are up. That's not including floor wedges that we're gonna do for the praise team, for the pulpit, anything like that. But we got sound here, and again, like I said, it needs to be tweaked, but hey, we are good to go. That's got a couple of extensions right now, just hooked up everything, and I need to check that out. I think that's more electrical than anything else. So we got that. I'm using a bunch of extension cables, which is not gonna be the final setup, but we have a shop plug up there that the speakers are gonna be on. I'm gonna do two of them because I want the TVs and the sound to be independent of each other, because there may be a time that they want to maybe turn the TVs on but don't need the sound. You never know. If they both need to be plugged in, that's very easy to change as well too. So very, very good day. I don't want to hook the computer up because I want to make it as simple to disconnect everything. I'm gonna move this lift back up here just to, well, maybe I can toss the power cable up here and get out the way. Like I said, when we come back, we're gonna put some conduit there to hide the wires on both sides. That conduit was already there, so we're gonna put the cable in there, cut a hole so that the cables can drop through, and that'll be good to go. But yay, progress, folks, progress.